Good morning. Let's do a Target haul.
May 19th, 1962.
You want to show them?
Monroe sang Happy Birthday.
We got these cute swimmers for the girls. Turn around. In the back. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Who has photographed some of the most
And
recognizable
Coda got one
faces of the last
too.
half-century, was there to capture the moment.
And here's the picture of Marilyn.
So much better
Even the
in
people
America.
that were there, that were walking out that night,
And then we got this, Indiana.
She just absolutely mesmerized everybody.
At his Manhattan apartment, Ray
And then we got
prepares the images
these for the Little
to take their
Mermaid.
place in the Defining Moments exhibit.
It's so cute.
When the lights went out, nobody knew what was going to happen. The spot came on and you heard a gasp. Then it was quiet and she started this
It's Alice.
song. And it was just electrifying. This
Alright.
shot is impossible to take, but I was leaning it on a
That's
tight
it.
railing, not breathing.
Show them,
And
Lex.
it's sharp.
Yeah, you hold it
I don't
like
know.
this.
Hi, June.
Hello there.
Finally we made
Then Alaska got this one for the Little Mermaid.
Oh my God, it's stunning. Oh, Bill, that's really, really beautiful.
It's so cute.
I have my picture up here.
Do you love it, Lex?
Because when I was a kid growing
And
up in
then
Nebraska, I used to listen to all the fights.
I got this for Dakota because they didn't have a baby one.
Thank you so very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Indiana,
Coming up on the Garden
stop.
Transform Year 2.
Hold on, Alaska. Do this one
Ironworker
first
sheds light on his day in
because
the ring.
that's got another part to it. And then we got this dress for Indiana for the Little Mermaid.
And a wrestling icon once again takes center stage.
And more next.
You just tap
And yours next.
And I got this. And it's
They
sweet.
can't see you, honey.
And I got this and it's very special. And it's not big fun.
It's not big for you. No, it fits you, huh? It's a cute little top and undie set. And then it comes with this skirt.
So much. She wished there was
For the Little Mermaid.
And mommy got this is a skirt.
They're short slacks.
I had no idea.
Oh, and then I got this for Dakota for the Little Mermaid.
Nigerian essential.
It's not really the Little Mermaid, but it's got some cute, like, purple sparkly shells on it.
Japanese.
Right?
Thank you, Mom.
Mommy got this.
Then I got some bathers.
There's just
And these
so much to discover.
ones.
Now on sale. for
Okay,
Mother's
that's
Day.
it.
Hey, corporate types, would you stop calling each other rock stars?
We love Target.
Bye.
We're going to pick up our hire car.
What's wrong?
What car did we get, Jess?
A Jeep Gladiator.
A Jeep Gladiator.
I'm pretty sure.
Can't wait to get it. We're going to the North Shore Beach, aren't we? But first we're going to go pick up our car.
Yeah, and make a good picture and drive to the beach.
Yeah. Waiting for our Uber to get our car. Jesse's not going to get into a car accident, are you?
No.
No.
Your shoes, you gotta
Kata's got her babies on. They are the cutest. We're picking up our car for the day. We're in our car. And Jesse's got no idea how to drive. The girls are in the back.
So it's a tight right. Which way is it telling us to go?
Back where you came from. That's where it's telling you. You got no idea. Go
Turn
right.
right.
Head northwest, then turn. Head northeast on Waikiki
Alaska?
Street to.
I want to get it in case something happens. You gotta do a long left. Just stay in your lane.
I am. There's a bus.
Is that Coda? Long left, baby.
Oh no, it's done a U-turn. Shit.
Oh no, it's orange. Do they have cameras here?
In 800 feet, turn right onto Nuanu Avenue.
That's it.
You gotta turn right. And when they say Hawaii traffic is bad, it is bad. But it's good for us because it means you go slow.
Yeah. It's a lot better.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Alaska! Not too far. Takeda! Hi! Are you eating your sand? No, you wanna go in the water? I'll follow you. Go. Yay! Go Nani! Yay! Go
Get going. Sit down. Sit down in the hole. Ash!
Back to the car now. Yes?
Remember we drove here in the morning?
Yeah, I remember. My God, it's so sexy.
Oh.
Yeah. Makes you feel like you're really in Hawaii. That beach was the best beach ever.
Hang on, Indiana.
It's raining. And it looks like it's pretty heavy in the mountains where we're going. Anyway, it's pouring rain and the pram is in the tray with no cover on it. So